Easy English practice.
Guess the idiom. What idiom fits this sentence? I don't know why she's upset. She woke up on the wrong side of the... Option A, chair. Option B, table. Option C, bed. Option D, room. Correct answer is option C, bed. Guess the idiom. What idiom fits this sentence? After losing the game, the team had to bite the shin and accept defeat. Option A, bullet. Option B, cake. Option C, rope. Option D, apple. Correct answer is option A, bullet. Guess the idiom. What idiom fits this sentence? I told him 100 times, but my advice fell on deaf. Option A, eyes. Option B, feet. Option C, hands. Option D, ears. Correct answer is option D, ears. Guess the idiom. What idiom fits this sentence? I was feeling sick, but now I'm as fit as a... Option A, rock. Option B, tiger. Option C, fiddle. Option D, cloud. Correct answer is option C, fiddle. Guess the idiom. What idiom fits this sentence? I was so embarrassed I wanted the ground to swallow me. Option A, now. Option B, whole. Option C, away. Option D, inside. Correct answer is option B, whole. Thank you for watching this videos. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.